There are thousands of products at CES 2019, but the Nemeio keyboard seen here managed to nab an innovation award, offering fully customizable e-ink keys and easy-to-use software. Now, the model seen here is just a prototype. The company does plan to release this to retail by the end of the year, but a price point was not discussed. While the Nemeio keyboard can be useful in any home or office, the company hopes that it will have commercial applications, allowing companies to save time and money with customizable keys and actions. As far as ports go, this does have a full-size USB, a USB Type-C, power button, and toggle buttons for different layouts. Prior to its retail release, the company will focus on refinements like key travel and other elements, hoping to release it by December.